Hello, grade 9. This question talks about the volume of left ventricle versus time. So this graph shows how the ventricle volume goes up and down, how it increases and decreases. When do you think that the ventricle increases? The volume of it increases when it gets relaxed in order to be filled with the blood. So here is the maximum increase, then the maximum decrease. Where does it decrease? When does it decrease? When it contracts, pumping blood or squeezing on the blood. So here the question says, how many complete heartbeats are shown in the diagram? I don't know if you took it, the wavelengths in physics. When we have up and down or crest to trough, here we have one complete circuit. So one dilation and one contraction, or one diastole and one systole, this is one complete circuit. So this is one. And from here to here, this is another one. So, and here is a half one. The question says how many complete heartbeats. The half one is not completed. So we have two. We have two complete actually circuits or heartbeat. So up, down, then up and another down. Okay. So the answer is 2. We have 2. Now, use the graph to calculate how long one heartbeat takes. Show your working. In order to show how long it takes, either from one dilation to the next exactly dilation, or we take it from one contraction to the next contraction. For me, I will take it from this contraction because it's clear for me to this next contraction here. The same point. Look at them. They are the same point exactly. So this is 0.45. It is 0.45. Here it is in the middle between 0.4 and 0.5. So 0.45, and this is 1.2. So this is one complete heartbeat, and this is the time how this one complete takes from 0.45 to 1.2. So we take the difference. We say 1.2 minus 0.45, it's gonna be 0.75 seconds. So this is the time taken for one complete heartbeat. Use your answer to BI to calculate the heart rate. Show your working. Whenever we say rate, the rate of the heart, it is taken over time. It is taken for 1 minute. So this is the heartbeat for 1 second. So if we have, this is BII, okay? If we have one heartbeat takes 0.075 seconds, then 60 seconds, which is 1 minute, because the heart rate should be taken over 1 minute, okay? How many heartbeats do we have? So criss multiplication, it's gonna be 60 over 0.75, which is 80 heartbeats per minute. Heart beats per minute, because we take it over 60 seconds, which is 1 minute. So here you may have it 81. It's okay, either 80 or 81. Okay, it's okay according to which areas actually you took it from, here or there. You have just 1 plus 1 minus. Okay, let's go to see. Describe what is happening between points A and B on the graph. Between point A and B, this is the maximum what? relaxation. So here the ventricle is relaxed the most, it is filled with the blood the most. At B, it is the maximum contraction. That means that the ventricle is contracting, pumping blood out. Okay, this is what is happening. Describe how the valves between atria and ventricles, atrioventricular valves, help to ensure one-way flow through the blood. Once the atria pumps the blood to ventricles, the valve opens. The atrioventricular valve opens. Then once the ventricle pumps the blood to the main arteries out of the heart, the valve closes in order to prevent backflow of blood and to make sure that the blood goes in one direction out of the heart. Okay?